up, foodies? This is Javier from Cancun Food Tours. Today I'm meeting with some of our team here at Mercado 23 because we're planning something special for Dia de los Muertos. That's why we decided to join here. I invited Sasha, our operations manager, and also Nasim, one of our best ranked guide here. He's obviously a chef, and well, we're getting ready to get you a surprise for Dia de los Muertos. Okay, Nasim, so can you share what are we doing now?
We're taking some chiles because here in Mexico we have so many different kinds of chili. For example, we have a chipotle, but before it's dried, it's a chile jalapeno. Every chile changes the name when it's fresh and when it's dried. And that's the reason, because here in Mexico we have so many different kinds of chili.
What are we doing with those?
We're going to do some mole paste. The mole is an important paste in this season of Mexico because this is made with 4 different kinds of chile and chocolate.
Perfect, thanks.
You're welcome.
So tell us, what are we doing today?
What are we doing today? Well, first of all, we're gonna get ready for what's coming in these following weeks. We're celebrating a very special date in Mexican culture called Dia de Muertos. And since we're all about Mexican traditions, authentic experiences, and of course food, we are doing nonetheless a very special transformation, seasonal transformation to one of our most beloved tours, which is the cooking class. So we're doing a cooking class inspired by Dia de Muertos. Now that you know what we have planned, well, I want you to meet a very important person. His name is Nasim. He's a chef and guide, and we've been working together for a while now. And he's going to be in charge of explaining what are we going to do. So, if we're ready, please follow me. Buenos dias, chef. Good morning. This is Chef Nasim. He's an extraordinary chef, an amazing guide, and also a great person. And we're gonna be honored for him to explain us what are we going to do today, Chef.
Today we're going to cook a very good recipes, traditional recipes. This is not a normal recipe that we cook normally in Mexico, but today we're going to cook 4 different recipes. The first one is going to be the guacamole. I think this is one of the best recipes in the universe, but today we're going to do it with some chips. After that, we're going to cook the mole sauce. Mole is a very important taste at this moment in Mexico because we're in a special celebration. This is the Day of the Dead, right? The mole is a chocolate paste with 4 different kinds of chile. One of these is the chipotle, another one is the ancho, the sweetie chile is the chipotle, and the last one is the guajillo. And with this, we're going to cook some enchiladas, right? After that, we are going to do the quesadillas. Yes, that's right. But this is not a normal quesadilla. This is a different kind of quesadilla because we're going to do with the Cempazuchitl flour. What is Cempazuchitl flour? It's a special flour at this moment because normally we put this flour in the altar. Altar is a place that we normally put some food for the dead people, right? This normally food and this flour is like the sun. the people here in Mexico believe about the Cempazuchitl flower is like the sun, and for that reason we put on the table, because the dead people is coming, and when they see this flower like the sun, is coming more easily.
Are we having dessert today?
Yes, a special dessert. This is a chocolate drink with some orange juice.
Okay, we have a different option, right? Maybe spicy?
It's a little spicy because we're going to try with some chipotle chili. This is special because not in all the restaurants you are going to find this recipe. Just here in Cancun Food Tours.
Great, Nassim. What about vegetarian or vegan options?
Oh, if some people can't eat some chicken or beef or another thing, I'm talking about the meat, we have some options. One of these is the mushroom, because the mushroom is food with much protein in the vegetables. But if you don't like the mushroom, we have some potatoes and carrots.
Perfect. Thank you.
language. The meaning is very easy. It's just little table. And this is a prehistoric instrument. We're going to smash all the ingredients in the metate. Not all the people like to use a metate because, you know, this is a pre-Hispanic instrument.
Smells good.
Yeah, the flavor is going to be better.